Your Mazda is giving you this key not detected notification, and you have to take your key fob and push it to the start button to get it to start. I'm gonna show you how to fix that. You have one of two things wrong. Either your remote has a dead or low battery, or more than likely your remote is in power save mode. This remote is in power save mode, and I'll show you how to take it out of power save mode. You're going to press the lock button 4 times, and on the 5th time you're going to hold it down. On the 4th time the button will light up red and stay red, and then you'll press it that 5th time and hold it down. The car will honk if you have all the doors closed, and it will show you like the hazard symbols while you're doing it. So this is how you do it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Got the red light. Now we're going to press and hold this down. Okay, and I got one more hazard symbol. Now it should just start right up without the key.